Hi, what's up guys? In this video, I'm going to show you the unboxing and setup of the Amaran 60DS light. This light has arrived in the post today. The reason for me to buy this light is that I had a key light from Aperture, which is the 300D. It has been working well, but as a fill light, I was using soft boxes and LED panel lights. They were not really serving the purpose. One half of my face was well illuminated by the Aperture 300D key light, but the other half was not being sufficiently illuminated. The soft boxes were providing the LED lights. The light from the LED lights was very harsh, and the soft boxes which I had were not casting sufficient light on the dark side of my face. So I decided to go in for this Amaran 60DS light. As you know, Amaran and Aperture are the same company. Amaran caters to individual video creators, whereas Aperture caters to large-scale productions. So I have got the box here in front of me. I'm going to open it and set it up in my studio. I will show the illumination provided by the Amaran 60DS light on my face. Some initial facts: the Amaran 60DS light has got a temperature of 5600K, which is close to the 5500K provided by the Aperture D light. It's definitely an improvement over the 6500K lights which are provided by soft boxes and the LED bulbs, and of course it does match the temperature of the Yongnuo LED lights, which can be varied from 3600 to 5500, but unfortunately the Yongnuo lights and the panel lights and the LED lights were not sufficient. Now I'm going to turn the camera to the package here, which is in front of me, and I will show you the contents of this box, and further to that I'll set up this light and we'll see the result. So this is the Aperture 60DS light. If I show you here, it says 5600. It comes in a neat packaging. I've just removed the cardboard packing, and this is the handle. Neat container. This is the actual light. It's an LED light, cob light. This is the reflector, and this is the main light part. It has got the cob, and it can be operated by Sony batteries as well as a power cord. So let's go into it and see what is inside. So this is the description of the light. Amaran by Aperture. The Amaran 60DS is an ultra compact 65 watt daylight cob light bundling a full size Bowens mount, Sidus Link app control, and enhanced spectral color quality into a small form factor. It's designed for individual content creators, and its versatile feature set will unleash your lighting vision. Aperture Sidus Link app. As you know, the Sidus Link is an app. It's designed by Aperture, and these are the parts inside. This is the main cob light. This is a reflector. It has got a mount here with an umbrella holder. You can see the umbrella holder here. So you can use an umbrella with you as a light modifier. And then this is the battery compartment. You can use 2 NP batteries. There's a battery charges. There's a battery cord adapter, and this is the charging cord. So let's unpack this thing. You can see that it has got a nice locking mechanism. So here are the contents of the package. You can see the main light here. The cob light is protected by this cover. This is the attachment for the Bowens mount, and you can unscrew this, keep it back here. This is the reflector. And inside this package is a fabric diffuser, the silica package, and this is the warranty card. These are the other components here. This is the battery charger. You can connect it to this cable. Two batteries can be charged simultaneously. This is the main charging adapter. And it can also be connected to the mains by this plug. It can be connected to the mains. This is the attached mount. You can attach it to probably a tripod, and this goes into it. This can be connected to a light stand. Or the light stand can go into it directly, and this can be angulated. This light can be angulated by nearly 180 degrees. So you can see it can be angulated 180 degrees. The front here, there is a circular hole. You can see that. That's for the umbrella holder. So you can attach a light diffuser into this itself. It'll have two light diffusers. One is the cloth diffuser which I showed before, and you can also attach an umbrella over here. This is my studio setup. I have a Sony FDR AX700 camera as my main cam. This is my key light, which is the Aperture 300D, and this here is my fill light. It's a Yongnuo 300D light. Two lights mounted to the walls to illuminate the green screen. So this is my recording setup. This is the key light and the fill light, and on this monitor here you can see the illumination of my face. So this is how I look with these two lights illuminating me, the key light, the Yongnuo fill light. I switch off this light, unscrew it from the light stand. I have connected the light through the adapter into the mains over here, and now I'm going to power on the light. I'm now going to place this in the position of the pre-existing fill light. This adapter goes into this slot here. And now this light is ready to be attached to a light stand, which I'm going to do now. So this is the light stand. I take this umbrella holder. This is the attachment to the light stand. And this light will go, the slot of this light here will go into this one. I mounted the light onto my light stand. I will angulate this light stand light, fill light, and the left side is illuminated by the key light. Aperture 60D light at 8% intensity. This is at 20% intensity. I've attached an umbrella to the light now. The advantage of this Amaran light is that you can program it to work from your Sidus Link app. This is the remote for the aperture. While sitting in my chair itself, I can control this light here from the Sidus Link app. So I'm going to increase the intensity of this light in the Sidus Link app. Right now it is at 40%. It's at full now. I can lower the intensity. I can change the dimming curve. So I've saved it to 25% preset, 100% preset. I can go to any preset. So that is the function of the Sidus Link app. I'm able to control it with the phone itself. So that was the setup of my Amaran 60DS fill light. I've shown you the unboxing, setup, control with the Sidus Link app on the phone, all the effects possible, straightforward lighting, special effects, and everything else. How you can operate it from the
phone itself with the app in the phone, Sidus Link app, or the Aperture Amaran remote. So I hope this video is informative. If you found some value in this video, then consider liking, sharing this video, subscribe to my channel. I'll see you in the next video. Cheers.